Hello everybody, welcome back, and today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete all emails at once on Outlook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For that purpose, go ahead, open your mobile's browser and go ahead, type in the search bar outlook.com. Once you do that, it will simply gonna show you this kind of interface. Go ahead, tap on this sign in option, get signed in, go ahead, enter your account's information, sign in over here. Once you're done getting signed in right there in Outlook, what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply go ahead, you will be able to find all of your emails over here. Tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner. This will show you this inbox option, right? Go ahead, tap on that inbox option, and if you would like to delete the emails from over here, what you can do is first choose let's one. Once you do that, you will see this icon with the check mark above. Tap on this. This will select all of the items over here. Once you're done doing that, you can go ahead, tap on this delete option. This will basically delete all of your emails. You can see 21 conversation deleted. Then you can tap on this three horizontal line, and what you will do is you will go to this deleted items, which will show all of the items, that all of the emails that you have deleted from your Outlook. You can go ahead, restore them if you'd like to, otherwise this will simply be removed after 30 days of periods. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video.